Well, the worst of the winds are over. It's still going to be breezy this evening, and we're going to stay chilly. But at least we dodged a bullet with this particular storm system. Earlier today, we had some strong winds up to around 45 to as high as 50 miles an hour in a couple of spots, just shy of 50. 47 miles per hour out at the airport, around 316 was the peak wind. We're still gusting to over 30 miles an hour right now with sustained winds around 15 to 25. Produced some big waves along the lakeshore. Dave shared this with me just a little while ago of the big waves over there in Grand Haven. A lot of blowing sand as well, so a little hard to keep the camera steady. Appreciate all the folks that shared their video with me this afternoon. 13 WEATHERBALL is green. No change to the chilly weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We said temperatures would fall to 41 late this afternoon, and it's been down to as low as 38 this afternoon. That's just within that 3-degree threshold, and we're back on track. 13 weather headlines calling for a chilly week with below average temperatures, but a milder weekend. We'll stay below average through the weekend. A few isolated snow showers on Tuesday and maybe Tuesday night, but virtually dry until about 10 or 12 days from now, around the 22nd, 23rd. We'll see our next real chance of rain, and it will continue to be cool, as I mentioned. But the 50s return for Saturday through next Tuesday, and by that time that rain moves on in next week, we could be in the 60s once again. The temperatures fell like a rock from upper 50s down into the upper 30s for a while this afternoon, but skies are beginning to clear now, and the winds will lighten up once the sun goes down later on this evening. Active weather down to the south as well. But that storm system that provided all of that active weather is now off to our north and east, and it's pushing even all of the severe weather off the eastern seaboard. But there were 90 tornadoes reported. The highest that I could see reported so far with a storm survey was an EF3. But of course, they'll be doing a lot of storm surveying over the next several days. For us, we've got quieting weather. You notice overnight there might be a few more clouds late tonight. This is right around 4 a.m. An isolated snow shower not out of the question. And that's the case here tomorrow. But generally a partly cloudy day. You can see these pop-up snow showers here and there right around 4 o'clock. That's the maximum time when we would get some heating of the day and into the evening hours. But virtually dry right on through the weekend with those chilly temperatures. Notice the winds are not quite as strong over the next several days. Lots of sunshine expected. Again, coolest temperatures will be along the lakeshore next several days. They'll be in the upper 30s while we'll climb to around 40. That's not much cooler. Similar conditions here on Wednesday. And then as we get into Thursday, we'll start to warm things up into the low and mid 40s. But the long range outlook, which comes out on Friday for the end of the month, we're still right along that northern tier of the U.S. Slightly higher chances for cooler than average temperatures with higher chances for more precipitation. Hopefully we start to see things a little bit closer to average. So mostly sunny to partly cloudy at times, maybe an isolated snow shower here tomorrow. Highs from Muskegon northward, upper 30s, and from Holland southward around 40. Up north, partly sunny skies with breezy conditions here. You'll still have those west winds at 15 to 20. Highs right around 39 to 40. Grand Rapids southward will be right around 40 to maybe as warm as 42 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. A long, slow climb out of the 40s into the 50s over the weekend. There'll be a cold front coming through on Sunday that may knock our temperatures back a degree or two next Monday or Tuesday. After that, some warmer weather with perhaps some rain and 60s moving in the following Wednesday and Thursday. So here we go back into the cold deep freeze.
Thank you, George.